We will continue to invest to minimum basic needs, MBN, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. We will not stop investing to this minimum basic needs. We are going to inaugurate with a total of 2,118 square meter, 5-story. Itong library ninyo. At hindi dyan hinto yan. Next year, we'll start finishing Magsaysay High School.
Bilis eh. Ano saan yun?
Next year, here again in 3rd District,
District para.
we will build MDRRMO Flood Monitoring Command Center here in 3rd District. Next year, we will build Binondominium 2 in 3rd District.
Sana all.
Next year, true to our commitment, we will start groundbreaking Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila College of Medicine. We need to come together, all of us, because if we're together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo ng pong may kapal. Manila!
God first!
God first. Thank you.